Thank you.
Okay. I'm a session guy who got called into this congregation here. I was very lucky to have got the gig on the holiday train. But I played with a lot of people. Melanie was not one of them up until I got here on the train. So yes, this is my first time living on a train for more than a day.
What's that like?
It's awesome. Seriously, once you get used to the whole motion thing, you know, your equilibrium kind of wants you to stay, you know, level all the time, but that's just not a possibility around here. So you end up bumping into a lot of things. You know, tall guys like me end up hitting their head a lot. It's, you know, you get used to it. Well, we all got here, I guess, a few days before we started playing the actual shows, and we had to put a song list together, a set list, and make sure that we all knew what we were doing, obviously. But and some of the songs had been sent ahead, but we hadn't really played together until we actually met in Montreal. So this first concert in Portage, well, I want to tell you that was probably the most enthusiastic crowd we've probably had in this entire trip so far. Those, I think per capita, those were the most excited people to see us.
Oh, really?
Very cool.
There was a lot of screaming going on.
Yeah, a lot of screaming. It felt like the Christmas Beatles.
You want to sit by Santa, Andy?
Connor, what do you want for Christmas?
What do you want for little Santa?
I already brought sugar and 3/4 too, I didn't realize.
Okay, I'll put that on my list.
What do you want, Andy?
Sit down real quick, we'll put the two guys next. Sure. Get a photo. Get home, your family.
Everything's in good hands with my elves, so I had a chance to get on the holiday train and meet with some of the kids and find out what they want for Christmas.
10 minutes before you do whatever, I always have a little, okay, I'm going to pick out my mittens, get in the mirror, whatever, and then you start the walk down, and then that's it. It's the same as any show. You have you get in your ritual. Your ritual gets you to the door of wherever.
What do you do?
I use backwards thumb, but I can't really wear those because that gets in the way of my bow grip.
Yeah.
So I put them on backwards. And then when I have a second, I just do this.
Yeah.
Use your jacket. You want to put your pin on your jacket?
Let's do this thing.
Oh, happy holiday, train!
Mayor Aaron Cullen and Lisa Williams from Central Wisconsin Community Action Council, please come to the stage.
Well, I pray on Christmas the sick will soon be strong. I pray on Christmas I pray so God is gonna hear my song. I pray on Christmas